Freedom, what's this letter?
M.
What's this one?
O.
Do you know this one?
T.
J. What's in your hand?
F.
F.
E.
What's this one?
M. Chocolate.
What letter's this?
Q.
What one?
Q.
Q. Do you know this letter?
I.
R. Good. And what about this one?
I.
I. And do you know this letter?
U.
U. Very good. Where's the M?
M.
Show mommy. No, M. M. Can you show me where M is?
M.
That's F. Where's is this the M?
M.
M, uh-huh. Where's the O?
O.
Can you pick out the O?
O.
Freedom. Where's the O?
O. O. Ah.
Okay, give mommy the O. Give mommy the O. Very good. Give mommy the Q. Very good, boy. You know your letters.
F.